Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm sharing a simple but effective 10-minute morning routine that can help you feel sharper, more energetic, and healthier, both mentally and physically. It's amazing how a few mindful minutes can transform your entire day. Remember, just like we take care to tidy our homes and create a joyful space, we can also cultivate joy and clarity within ourselves. Stick around to see which tips work for you, and let me know in the comments which ones you'll be trying out. The first thing I do each morning is express gratitude to my home for providing me with rest and rejuvenation. Then, before I even think about coffee, I head straight for the kitchen to pour myself a tall glass of water. Did you know that our brains are about 70% water? After hours of sleep, we wake up slightly dehydrated, and it's essential to replenish those hydration levels. Drinking water first thing in the morning is like giving our bodies a big, refreshing hug from the inside out. Sometimes I like to add a squeeze of fresh lemon to my water. Lemon not only adds a touch of flavor, but also provides a boost of vitamin C. Take that moment to savor each sip and appreciate the simple yet profound act of self-care. Now, with our bodies hydrated and our minds beginning to awaken, let's move on to the next step in our morning routine. Have you ever noticed how a tidy space can instantly uplift your mood? Well, the same principle applies to our personal space, even something as simple as our bed. Making our bed each morning may seem like a small act, but it holds a surprising amount of power. It's about creating a sense of order and intention, setting the tone for a more productive and fulfilling day. This small act of self-respect can have a ripple effect on our mindset throughout the day. Imagine stepping back and admiring your handiwork, a neatly made bed, an oasis of calm amidst the morning rush. Now that we've created a sense of calm and order in our physical space, let's turn our attention to nourishing our minds and setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Music has this incredible ability to transform our mood, to transport us to different emotional landscapes. For me, mornings are about embracing calmness and clarity. I find that listening to uplifting music for even just 10 minutes can work wonders in setting the right tone. Whether it's the gentle strums of an acoustic guitar, the soothing sounds of nature, or even a cheerful and upbeat pop song, music has the power to shift our energy and focus. Let the music be a gentle guide, leading you towards a place of inner peace and inspiration. Remember, the right music can be a powerful tool in shaping our mindset and setting the tone for a more fulfilling day. Now that we've awakened our senses with uplifting melodies, let's continue our journey of inner nourishment by immersing ourselves in inspiring words. Just as we nourish our bodies with wholesome foods, we must also nourish our minds with positive and uplifting thoughts. Reading something inspiring, even for a short time each morning, can have a profound impact on our outlook and motivation. It could be a favorite quote, a passage from a book, or even a few lines from a daily devotional. The key is to choose words that resonate with your soul, words that spark joy and inspire you to be the best version of yourself. As you read, allow yourself to truly absorb the message, to let it seep into your subconscious and shape your thoughts throughout the day. Remember, the words we consume have the power to shape our thoughts, our beliefs, and ultimately, our lives. Now that we've nourished our minds with uplifting words, let's turn our attention to calming our bodies and finding a sense of inner peace through the power of breath. The pace of modern life can often feel overwhelming, leaving us feeling stressed, anxious, and disconnected from ourselves. That's why it's essential to incorporate moments of stillness and deep breathing into our daily routines, especially in the morning when we're setting the tone for the day ahead. Deep breathing exercises are incredibly simple, yet profoundly effective in calming our nervous systems, reducing stress levels, and improving our overall well-being. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to expand like a balloon. Hold the breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly and gently through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply, Visualize yourself surrounded by a sense of calm and peace. Let go of any worries or anxieties that may be clouding your mind, and embrace this moment of stillness and serenity. Now that we've calmed our minds and bodies with deep breathing, let's awaken our physical selves with some gentle stretches that will invigorate us for the day ahead. After a night of rest, our bodies often wake up feeling stiff and sluggish. That's why incorporating a few minutes of stretching into our morning routine can work wonders in increasing flexibility, improving circulation, and boosting our energy levels. Think of stretching as a way of expressing gratitude to our bodies, thanking them for carrying us through each day. Whether you prefer gentle yoga poses, simple stretches you remember from gym class, or even just reaching your arms overhead and taking a deep breath, listen to your body and move in ways that feel good. The key is to prioritize movement and flexibility, to awaken our muscles and prepare them for the day ahead. Remember, even a few minutes of stretching each morning can make a world of difference in how we feel both physically and mentally. Now that we've awakened our bodies with gentle stretches, let's step outside and soak up some mood-boosting sunshine. Have you ever noticed how a few moments basking in the warm glow of sunlight can instantly lift your spirits? Sunlight is like a natural mood booster. Stepping outside for just 10 minutes each morning and exposing ourselves to sunlight helps to regulate our circadian rhythms, those internal clocks that govern our sleep-wake cycles. This, in turn, can lead to better sleep quality, improved mood, and increased energy levels throughout the day. As you step outside, close your eyes for a moment and feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Take a deep breath and inhale the fresh air. Whether you enjoy a morning walk, sip your coffee on your porch, or simply stand barefoot in the grass, make it a priority to connect with nature and soak up some mood-boosting sunshine. It's a simple yet profound way to nurture our minds and bodies. Now that we've bathed in the warm glow of sunlight, let's invigorate our senses with a burst of energy that will leave us feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. While the thought of a cold shower first thing in the morning might send shivers down your spine, hear me out. The benefits are undeniable. It's like hitting the reset button on our nervous system. Cold showers boost circulation, reduce muscle soreness, and strengthen our immune system. Start gradually, and you might be surprised by how invigorated you feel. Stepping into a brand new day without a plan can often feel like setting sail without a compass. That's why taking even just 10 minutes each morning to plan out our day can make a world of difference in our productivity, focus, and overall sense of accomplishment. Think of your daily plan as a roadmap, guiding you towards your goals and priorities. Start by identifying the 3 to 5 most important tasks you want to accomplish that day, the ones that will move the needle forward in your personal and professional life. Once you have your top priorities listed, break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. As you move through your day, refer back to your plan often, checking off tasks as you complete them. Now that we've created a roadmap for success, let's take a few moments to connect with our inner selves and set our intentions for the day ahead. In the midst of our busy lives, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle. Incorporate a few minutes of reflection into your morning routine. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and bring your awareness inward. Ask yourself, what am I grateful for today? What do I want to accomplish? How do I want to show up in the world? Align yourself with your values and set intentions. Carry these intentions with you throughout the day. Step into the day feeling grounded and aligned with your true self. Thanks for watching. I hope these simple yet effective tips inspire you to create a morning routine that sparks joy and sets you up for success each day. Remember, just as we take care to tidy our homes and create a joyful space, we can also cultivate joy and clarity within ourselves by incorporating mindful rituals into our daily lives. Let me know which habit you'll be trying in the comments. I'm excited to hear how you personalize these tips to create a morning routine that works for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.